In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a professional document, a school project, or simply need page numbers for organization, knowing how to automatically add them can save you time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening your Google Docs document where you'd like to insert page numbers. If you're not already there, you'll want to sign in to your Google account and navigate to Google Docs from your Google Drive or directly from docs.google.com. Once your document is open, take a look at the menu bar located at the top of the page. Here, we're going to locate the Format tab. Click on Format. This will open up a drop-down menu of various formatting options you can choose from to customize your document. Within this menu, find and click on Page Numbers. This action will initiate a pop-up window offering you a few different page numbering options. You can choose to put the page numbers on the top or bottom of the page, along with deciding on the numbering format. In most cases, placing the page numbers at the bottom or in the footer is a standard practice and helps maintain a clean, professional look. So go ahead and select Footer to place your page numbers there. Once you've made your selections, you'll notice an Apply button in the window. Click Apply to confirm your choice. Almost instantly, you'll see that page numbers have been added to each page of your document in the Footer section. You don't need to intervene manually as Google Docs does the heavy lifting for you, auto-updating numbers as your document grows. Remember, if you need to return to these options to make adjustments, perhaps to change the positioning or format of your numbers, you can always go back through the Format menu to tweak as necessary. This flexibility is one of the many features that make Google Docs such an accessible and powerful tool for document creation. And there you have it! You've successfully added page numbers to your Google Docs document. With this skill, managing longer documents becomes a breeze, and you can present your work with the professional polish it deserves. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials on making the most out of Google Docs and other digital tools. Until next time, keep creating and organizing with ease.